GnuCash is a powerful, free, and open-source accounting software that many individuals and small businesses use for managing their finances. One of its most valuable features is its comprehensive reporting system, allowing users to generate insights into their financial health, track income and expenses, and monitor various accounts. After you've spent time customizing a report to get just the right view of your data, a natural question arises: where are GnuCash reports saved? As an accounting software expert, I'll explain the different ways GnuCash handles reports and where you can expect to find them. It's important to clarify that there are two main types of saving when it comes to GnuCash reports. Saving report configurations. This saves the settings of a report, allowing you to quickly regenerate the same report with your preferred options, e.g., date range, accounts included, display style later without having to set them up from scratch every time. Exporting, saving the report output. This saves the actual generated report, the data and its presentation, as a separate file, so you can view it outside of GnuCash, share it, or archive it. Let's delve into each of these. 1. Where GnuCash report configurations are saved. When you open a report in GnuCash, e.g., a balance sheet or income statement, and then customize its options by clicking the Options button on the toolbar, you'll see a Save Report Configuration or Save Report Configuration as button, usually under the General tab of the report options. When you click one of these buttons, GnuCash saves the specific settings you've chosen for that report. These saved configurations are not saved as separate files in a location you typically browse with your File Explorer. Instead, they are stored within a specific configuration directory on your computer, which varies slightly depending on your operating system. Linux/Unix-like systems, typically in your home directory, often in a hidden folder like /local/share/GnuCash/ or /.GnuCash/. The exact path might depend on your GnuCash version and how it was installed, e.g., Flatpak installations might have a slightly different sandboxed location like /var/apps/org.GnuCash. GnuCash/data/. Usually in/library, application support/GnuCash/. The library folder in your home directory is typically hidden by default, so you might need to make hidden files visible in Finder to see it. Windows, generally located in %appdata%\GnuCash or C. /users/ your username, /appdata/ roaming /GnuCash. The appdata folder is also usually hidden by default, so you'll need to enable Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives in folder options to navigate to it. Important note: these locations hold GnuCash's configuration files, which include your saved report settings, preferences, and other application-specific data. They are separate from your actual financial data file, .GnuCash file, which you save wherever you choose. Once a report configuration is saved, it becomes easily accessible within GnuCash. You'll find your custom reports listed under the Reports menu, specifically under Saved Report Configurations. This makes it incredibly convenient to generate your frequently used reports with all your preferred settings already applied. You can also edit these saved configurations or delete them from this menu. 2. Where exported report output files are saved. When you generate a report in GnuCash and then want to save the actual visual output as a document, e.g., to share with an accountant, print, or archive, you use the export functionality. Here's how it works and where the files go. Generate the report. First, open and run the report you want to save. Use the Export button. On the Reports toolbar, you'll see an Export button, often represented by an icon that looks like a page with an arrow pointing out of it. Choose Export Format. GnuCash typically exports reports into a few standard formats. HTML, web page. This is a very common export format for GnuCash reports. It creates a web page.html file that can be opened in any web browser. The advantage here is that it preserves the formatting and layout of the report very well. While it's an HTML file, most spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel or LibreOffice Calc can also open HTML files, allowing you to potentially import the data for further analysis, though formatting might require some adjustments. CSV, Comma-separated values some specific reports or the data behind reports, like transaction exports, can be exported directly to CSV. This is a plain text file where values are separated by commas, making it ideal for importing into spreadsheets or other database programs for manipulation. PDF, portable document format. While there isn't always a direct export to PDF button within GnuCash's report export options, you can achieve PDF output using your operating system's print functionality. When you go to File, Print, or click the print icon, your operating system's print dialog will usually give you an option to print to PDF or save as PDF instead of sending it to a physical printer. This is a common workaround for many applications that don't have a built-in PDF export.